What is going on, guys? Oh my gosh, have I been waiting for this one. Today we are swapping the wheels and tires on the Mini Jeep. We are going to golf cart size tires. We got the adapters, we got the wheels, we got the tires. Oh man, is this thing gonna look sick. Sit back, relax, stay tuned, and let's roll with the video. Okay guys, so first thing is first here. If you are gonna be wanting to do one of these swaps, you're gonna need to pick up yourself a set of adapters. I got myself a set of adapters that go from 4x110, which is the factory Jeep hub size, to a 4x4. These particular ones are 1 inch diameter. What I recommend doing is doing 1 1/4 inches, because if you're using the factory lugs, they do stick out a little bit here. So 1 1/4 inches will be absolutely perfect. However, I chose to go with 1 inch just because I didn't want that excessive poke. All right, on to the removal. So for this aspect, you're going to use a 17 millimeter. I'm going with an impact here. It makes it a lot easier to remove. And you're going to want to be very easy with these because these threads strip out very, very easily. So try not to get too excited when you remove them because they do strip out. Not so much the thread on the hubs, but the actual lugs themselves will strip. All right, onto the hub install here. With the front end jacked up, obviously. So hubs are going to go on, or the adapters rather. Take the factory lugs. Said these are going to be very, very easy with. All right, once you get these snugged on, obviously you're going to want to go in a crisscross pattern, up, down, left, right, whatever. That is the proper way to cinch these things down. With these ones, the front hubs are a little bit more difficult to seat down. They kind of want to rock back and forth and around on you. So be vigilant, make sure everything is snugged down. Make sure you go around at least twice or 3 times. So with that aspect. All right, onto the wheel. These babies I got from, I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, I know I will, Stealing Wheel. It's a golf cart wheel company on eBay. Fantastic quality stuff, you guys. I'm telling you, these wheels, the camera is not going to do these justice. I mean, the quality on these, I picked this set up for about 175 bucks shipped to my door. So, I mean, you cannot go wrong with this deal. Also, the only gripe I have with these, the center caps that came with them, let me grab one real quick. These guys, I'm going to show you. So, the center caps on these particular wheels don't snap in. They are dependent on the actual hub itself to hold them on. Not gonna work with this aspect, but really, really cool. The factory wheel center cap. The factory center cap snaps right into place. All right guys, sorry if I'm rushing through this. So the wheel adapters come with lugs that go right on, obviously the studs. These wheels do come with lug nuts, but they did not fit as far as the thread. These are just temporary, just so I can get these on for tonight. I am going to be going with a black closed face acorn looking nut that's on here. But these will do the trick for right now. Guys, and the same goes with these. When you're torquing these down, same deal. Make sure you're torquing in a crisscross pattern. Just make sure they're down nice and snug. Boom. And guys, as far as the weight goes on these golf cart wheels, almost spot on identical to what the Mini Jeep has, so it's not going to strain on the engine or anything like that. They're just going to work. So just, if you guys want to do this and you're skeptical, just do it. Trust me. I'm going to show you guys the reveal here in just a minute. I'm chasing the sunlight here, so I'm going to try to hurry. You guys, holy cow, did this transform the look of this Jeep. Check this out. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up today's video. If you guys could do me a solid, right up here is my little subscribe button. If you guys could hit that for me, I'm going to have a video over on this side. So until next time, you guys have an amazing day, and I can't wait to get this baby out on the road and show you guys how she drives.